Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my super defined flat twist out using only 2 products. So right now I'm starting off with an old protective style that I did. My hair is already moisturized, but it is dry, so I'm going to be spraying some water into my hair to revive the moisture I have from my last protective style, so I don't have to moisturize my hair again. Now after I'm done with spraying the water, I'll make sure that I detangle my hair thoroughly. Whenever you are doing any kind of protective style, you want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled. So as you can see now, I've already gone ahead to part my hair into 3 sections, and I'm going for side part. If you want, you can part your hair in the middle. So this is one of the products I'm talking about, the Blue Magic Castor Oil Conditioner, and in it has shea butter and aloe vera. And also I'm going to be using EcoStyler olive oil gel. Now I'm mixing the 2 products together, and this is to ensure that I don't have flakes or crunch when I'm done taking down the flat twist. Now you want to take a smaller portion of hair, just part from any part you want to start with. I'm starting with the side part that I created earlier, and now I applied the 2 products in it. Like I showed you, I massaged it into my palms and then apply it into my hair. You want to make sure that the product is evenly distributed into that section you are working with. Detangle it thoroughly, and then you begin to flat twist. This is not a tutorial on how to do a flat twist, but if you want me to show you a detailed video on how to flat twist your hair, in case you don't know how to do that, just let me know in the comment section below and I will gladly make the video. So when you are twisting, you want to make sure you detangle as you go, and then when you get to the tip of your hair, apply some gel, just a tiny bit of gel to secure the ends in place, and then twirl it around, and that's it. Again, take a smaller portion of hair, just part a reasonable amount of hair, not too small and not too big. Apply the product, detangle your hair, and begin to flat twist. So the smaller section you work with, the better results you get. Ever since I've been doing this flat twist out on my hair, I've not gotten the definition I got from this one. Like, these 2 products mixed together gave me the super defined flat twist out. So I want you guys to try it out. The products are very cheap, they are not even expensive. Now after I'm done with flat twisting all my hair, I will now tie it with a rubber band, leave the hair to dry completely. Actually, I left mine to dry for 2 days because I wanted to be very sure that my hair is well dried before I take down the hair. I don't want to mess it up, so you want to leave your hair to dry completely. Now apply some oil in your palm and begin to unravel the twist. You want to unravel the hair from the opposite side, the way you twisted it. So after taking down the whole of the twist, as you can see, I didn't go ahead to separate more because I don't want to mess up the curls that I've seen already. So I'm going to now pick the roots with my comb. As you can see, I'm picking the roots, I'm not trying to comb out the hair. I'm just picking the roots to add more volume to the hair, and this is the result that I got. As you can see, the curls are well defined just from using these two products. Now I'm going to smooth down my edges by applying some gel, just a little amount of gel, and that is it. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you do give it a try. If you've been struggling with getting the best out of your twist out, I think you should give these two products a try and see how it works on your hair. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.